Decide whether to call a pro or tackle door jamb repair yourself by assessing visible damage, door function, load bearing changes, and any hidden structural or electrical concerns. Start by inspecting the jamb for crack patterns, loose or missing trim, split wood, and how the door hangs and latches. Measure gaps around the door at top and sides using a straight edge or ruler, and note any areas where the door rubs or drags when opened or closed. Remove the hinge pins one at a time to check hinge mortises for elongation and examine the strike plate area for oversized screw holes or crushed wood. Short fixes include replacing screws with longer screws that reach the framing and filling small voids with wood filler or epoxy. For small splits or hairline cracks, stabilize the area with wood glue clamped until set and reinforce with properly sized screws and a hinge repair plate if needed. When replacing a jamb section, cut back to sound wood, transfer hinge locations precisely, and use shims between jamb and framing to restore plumb and reveal correct clearance before final screwing and trim installation. If you encounter wiring, plumbing, or load-bearing issues behind the jamb, or if correcting alignment requires reframing, stop and consider professional help because those require specialty tools, building code knowledge, and safety precautions that go beyond typical do-it-yourself work. Common mistakes include underestimating hidden damage and only repairing cosmetic elements, which leads to recurring issues. So probe behind trim and remove a section of jamb if needed to confirm the full extent and address any rotten framing. Another error is using short screws in hinges and strike plates, which allows movement and failure, so swap to longer screws that penetrate the stud for lasting hold. A third frequent problem is failing to shim correctly, which creates binding or gaps. So install tapered or layered shims and test the door operation before trimming and painting. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting people who need jobs with those who do them. We also host a discussion community where members share experiences, ask questions, and offer practical tips about repairs like door jambs.